what's up? So the car is wet sanded down to 600. I was successful in getting a decent amount of orange peel off, but not all of it because I ran out of sandpaper. I really should have more sandpaper in the future if I'm gonna do this, but this is fine for now. So I'm gonna do the last flow coat real quick and that's it. Then I'll be able to let it cure, put everything back on, and actually drive the damn car around. That was a nightmare. It did not go well. The gun kept like getting little bits of primer in it and I had to keep flipping it over, taking this thing off, putting a little alcohol in there, spraying through it, drying it off, putting this thing back on and going again. It was a nightmare. It came out pretty textury. But whatever, the car's shiny now and I've never had this car shiny before and honestly that's all I care about and I'm kind of happy and I'm actually really happy. It's gonna eventually get cut and buffed, don't worry everybody, but I'm just happy that it's actually painted. You can see the two different tones there. Holy shit, that's sick. What do you do when one of these starts flashing and blinking all crazy? I guess I can unmask it. I can deal with the runs, I can deal with the orange peel, but this sucks so bad. This sucks so bad. God damn it, dude. The tape pulled some of it off. What am I doing wrong? Was I supposed to pull this off when it was still wet? Shit! That sucks. Dang it. So I feel like normally there'd be some cool unmasking, satisfying montage of cool, satisfying unmasking, but this is being a nightmare. The masking tape that I use for the majority of the car is being a nightmare to get off, as you can see here, so yeah, that sucks. Satisfying unmasking montage. Ooh, this one's going good. This one's going good. Ah, son of a bitch, dude. Right as I get the camera, dude. God damn it. Let's try again. God damn it, dude.
These go back quite a bit. These go back, I mean, that looks good. What? Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Alright. Okay, just a little wider. Alright, so, is that side? And we do that a little bit, right? Okay, so we do it a little bit. So, these are right? Yes, just a little bit. So, I think there's a car paint. Yeah, nice car paint. That's it. I mean, it's still just a tiny, it's like a hair wider here, but that's
as good as we're gonna get.
That's much better.
Alright, let me pop the hood again and we'll tighten the bolts. Alright, hood's on. That is so weird. Holy shit, that is weird. What? 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 Car shiny. Holy fucking shit, it's coming together. I took off all the tape. There's no more masking tape. There's a lot of clear coat dust. And then I took a razor to all of the glass inside and out. And then used some glass cleaner inside and out of the car. Use everything and she looks stupid clean. This velcroed on. I think I might use magnets later, but check it out. So it pops in up there and I have it velcroed on because the actual clips, they're there and there broke off, so hopefully that stays on. If not, I'll just magnet it on. I'll probably add magnets later if I remember. Yeah, it's on there pretty good, but yeah, so there's that, because that'll probably come off a couple times to get redone a bunch of times. That'd be kind of cool. The glass looks super clean and like the paint, it's a whole different car now. It's transformed. I need to put on everything else. Pretty cool. I almost forgot, I put the wing back on. I love this wing. It's a Mark II hatch wing, anybody wondering, for S12. It needs new gaskets and whatnot. It doesn't fit perfectly, but I'll figure that out later. The mounts are way more sturdy than it used to be. Since I don't have a heat gun to get the wrinkle black effect, I use something else. and it gave me an effect close enough to what I wanted. I just wanted an even tone, and I had enough left of it to where I'm redoing the steelies. It's kind of like a wrinkly tone. This. Tell me why this is a bad idea. If not, sit. Insert meme about black wheels here. I mean, there's something to be said about stock wheels. Self-tappers and zip ties. Everything you'll ever need to mount stuff to an S chassis. Camber adjustment. I also put the fender liner back on because I have it, and I'm sure if I lose it, I will never find another one. The front end is on. Oh my god. I'm starting to get excited. Holy shit. This thing. Put on the Mark II quarter guard, Datsun mud flap, and that curb feeler. That's really just like an ode. If you know, you know. All that stuff is held on with zip ties and self-tappers. It'd be nice to have rib nuts one day, but money. We'll get there. We'll see how long that actually lasts. These are stripped as shit. So I gotta replace 3 lug studs, which sucks. Fortunately, they're on a spacer, so that also makes it easy. Also, I didn't wait a long time to do the flow coat. Like I said, I was going to in the last video. Turns out you don't need to do that. You need to wait to do the wet sand and buffing, because usually when you buff, you wax, and the waxing seals up the paint so that then the clear can't off gas. There's something about that. Yep. Stupid happen. I got the wrong fucking size. Far left is what I got, and these are what are in the spacers. Shit. 3 out of 4 ain't bad, but this spacer's toasted. Yeah, it's all kinds of fucked in there, so this gotta get replaced. Center garnish and tail lights are in. Yeah, we'll do sunlight shots tomorrow so you can actually see the whole car. Hell yeah. Two-tone _RA65. You won this video sticker giveaway, so hit me a DM on Instagram. We'll get you sent a sticker. Let me know which one you want to.